Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Uni Fribourg account. Let's get started. So to log into your University Fribourg account, what you can do is simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Uni Fribourg login. So after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which is login, and it is from University of Fribourg. So just tap on login. So after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, you can just tap on login, and by tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. But if you forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot your password, and by tapping on forgot your password you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So if you have forgotten your account's password, you can do that, but if you haven't forgotten your password, then simply enter your password and your username and then tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.